Hi everyone, this video will show you the basic startup with Selenium WebDriver script. So before setting up the Selenium WebDriver, it's required to have all the prerequisites that is responsible to make the Selenium scripts run. So it starts from Eclipse IDE and that JDK. And the third prerequisite is Firefox browser, and the system should also kept Selenium WebDrivers offline as well. So let's download and install each prerequisites bit by bit. So I have already opened the URLs which will reach you to download all the prerequisites. So here you can download the Eclipse latest version, and in case of Firefox browser, here the URL is written over there, through which we can download and install the latest Firefox browser. And JDK can also be downloaded and installed through this URL, and so according to the system and platform, we can have all the prerequisites. So to make the Selenium scripts run, we are required to download the latest versions of Selenium jar file. Next, before making the Java code to run, it's required to set the system variables, set the environment variables. So how to do that? Let's have a look into this. Edit system variables. Since I have already installed and JDK version, latest versions into the local repository, which is having this local path. So where I have to mention into the system variables as variable name and its value. So I have defined this local path as variable value, and similarly I have to define the path into user variables as well, that is ampersand percent java underscore home and %/bin. Till here it says and it acquires the JDK local path. So all the prerequisites have been downloaded and installed, the JDK path has been set, and now we can start writing the first or basic Selenium script. I have already opened Eclipse IDE, and this is how the Eclipse IDE looks like. I'll create a newly Java project. First Selenium script. So I have created one Java project, and I'll create one package in this first Selenium, and I'll create one class into this package, Selenium demo. As of now I am including a main method into this class. So let's test first whether the Java code is running or not. So we can use So let's run this program. It confirms that Java has been installed and it has been properly installed, and all the JDKs, all the class paths has been set properly. So let's run this program first. Yeah, it populates the result as expected, so it means Java has been successfully installed. So what I will do now, I'll just write one first Selenium script. So before writing the Selenium script, I need to import Selenium jar file into this project. So how to do that? Let's see the process. We have to right click into the project, and we have to move to the properties, Java build path, and libraries. And since I have already downloaded the latest Selenium jar file with this URL, and it's already into the system local repository, which is this Selenium server standalone 2.48. So I'll just import this jar file into the Java project. Yeah. So now you can see that Selenium jar file has been added as referenced libraries. So now we can start writing the Selenium script. WebDriver browser is equal to Firefox driver. So this statement only will launch the Firefox browser, and so this is, so let's run this. Yeah, so you can see that that Selenium script has launched this Firefox browser by default.